Zulu, are you ready to draw the winner?
Yay!
All right, everybody. We have 5 entries in the Basenji Adventure giveaway. We have, in the blue, Nature Dog Realms, followed by another blue, Banjo Benson, followed by Izzy, and here comes Jessica D.
Yeah.
And then we've got Master Chiller 96.
Wow.
Now these are our entries, and all I have to do is tap this and see who's going to win. Are we ready?
We're ready.
All right.
Are you
Why
ready,
don't you have
Zinja?
Zulu do it with her paw? That'll be fun.
Where?
Just touch anywhere in here with her paw. Oh, it didn't work. All right, ready? I'll do it with you. There you go. Ah, I'm going to have to do it. Oh, well, technology. All right, here we go.
Yay!
Here we go. Who's going to win?
Who's the winner?
Looks like
Banjo Benson.
You
Congratulations.
You are the winner of the UAH Pet Water Fountain. All right.
Awesome. So congratulations, Banjo Benson. You are the winner of the UAH Pet Water Fountain. And we are so excited for you. But wait, everybody is a winner. So we will be sending you, not the fountain, Izzy, Jessica D, Master Chiller, and Nature Dog Realm. We will be sending you something special from Zulu and Zinja in the mail. So be on the lookout and enjoy.
All right, everybody. I know you enjoy these faces here, but here are some pictures that were sent in to us by our contestants. Enjoy the slideshow.